Hello everyone. So this video gives you an idea to make a beautiful rainbow effect jewelry or a charm keychain. So let's see what all you require to do this. We first need a resin, which I've already mixed. It's a 2:1 resin, and I have few molds here, and as usual some tools and something to mix the resin. And today we are going to work with this rainbow sheets. These are like, I have already made my shape, like what I'm going to do today. This is a heart shape one, and I have one more shape of this. Can you see? So we already see a rainbow effect here, and also we are going to use this jute sheet, you remember, which I got in my TT kit. So this is the one, and I have some flowers for inclusion and some pigments here, toothpick, gas lighter, scissor, and this beautiful mold. So let's start the work. Now I'll do with this mold. I'll add some resin. A very little for a first layer. Okay, I'm just popping the bubbles. Now we are going to add this beautiful flower. I'll add one more color. Very gently press. Now let's add some leaf to it. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to insert the rainbow sheet before the resin cures. So I just wanted to give a try how this gonna come. Let's burst the bubbles first. As I said, I'm adding this sheet now. Okay. I don't know whether the video shows you the effect, but it seriously looks very beautiful. Okay, so can you see the effect? I don't think. Okay, so let's wait to cure, and we'll add the next layer of resin to this. I think this will turn out so beautifully. So this is the final piece of the one which we did. I have added, see, the rainbow sheet, and this way you can see the jute sheet, the beautiful effect. I've added opaque, and so this will be the final piece of it. Okay, now we are going to work in this mold. Let's first add some resin. My resin is already thick, so there will be lots of bubbles, I think, but it's okay since I'm trying my new ideas here. Okay, so I've filled this. First I'm gonna add this shell. One more. And this flat shell. Now I'll add the starfish. Okay, so that's it. And what I'm going to do is, I have some left out rainbow sheets. We'll cut it into pieces and we'll add this to the mold. Okay, now we'll add this. Do it very slowly and gently. We already have some bubbles inside, so to avoid more bubbles, we'll do little slow. It's up to you, like how much you want to add the rainbow sheet. So that's it. We'll wait until it cures. Can you see the rainbow sheet effect? So finally I have added some alcohol ink, so to see how the effect to be. It came out really well. Now there are more micro bubbles in it, but it's okay. But the effect looks very beautiful. See, rainbow sheets. Starfish. I really like it. So I have added a cute flower along with an owl and some stones and stone glow in dark others. And instead of this, I'm going to add a jute sheet. I want to see how this turns out. So I'm adding the sheet. Okay, so I always use more glitters to give beautiful effect to my work. So let's add this. Spread this equally. Okay, so this is the effect for the jute. So this one, it's only with the jute sheet which we made. I've added some flowers and some stones, and this white part, this will be glow in dark. I hope you can see the glow.